Hello students, in lecture 8 we will discuss AC circuit containing capacitor only. This is the AC circuit and this is the AC source, and this circuit contains only a capacitor. Okay, what will happen? Let us see. We know that E is equals to E naught sine omega t. It is the potential or EMF across the source, AC source. Okay, and also potential across capacitor. We know that V is equals to Q upon C. In place of V we can write here EMF. Okay, now you can compare here Q upon C is equals to E naught sine omega t, and we have to calculate what C into E naught sine omega t. We know that we have to calculate current, that means dq upon dt, that is equals to current, and it is equals to C E naught, and in differentiation of sine is simply cos omega t into omega. Okay, finally we can write here I is equals to omega c epsilon naught cos omega t. Okay, also we can write here I is equals to E naught upon 1 upon omega c into cos omega t, or we can write E naught upon 1 upon omega c into, in place of cos we can write here sine pi by 2 omega, pi by 2 plus omega, or omega plus pi by 2. Means the I will be is equals to E naught upon 1 upon omega c into sine omega t plus pi by 2. In place of cos omega t we can write here sine pi by 2 plus omega t. Okay, we will see here that E naught upon something in capacitor, when the circuit was containing resistance only, E naught upon it was R. When the circuit contains inductor only, this term is like a resistive property. Okay, this term 1 upon omega c also contains, behave like a resistive property, and 1 upon omega c is called Xc, and it is known as capacitive reactance. Okay, now in place of E naught upon something resistive property, that is equals to I naught, and finally we can write I is equals to I naught sine omega t plus pi by 2. This is the final answer. Okay, now we know that we have to draw EI versus omega t. We know that this is the function of E equals to E naught sine omega t, and this is the maximum value, means E naught. Okay, now time to draw. Here you can write I is equals to, because it is equals to like this and it is also equals to this, means I is equals to I naught times cos omega t, means the function of current will be cos. Okay, means the current will start from here like that. It is 2 pi, and this is pi, this is 3 pi, and this is pi by 2. Okay, hope you are getting. Here you will see that current is maximum at 0. Current is maximum, that means current is leading and voltage is lagging. Current is leading and voltage is lagging. Now let us move toward the vector diagram, or you can say that phasor diagram. This is x and this is y. You know that this is E naught, you know, and this is omega t, means E has phase that is omega t and I have phase omega t plus pi by 2, means omega t and plus pi by 2, that means like that. Sorry, the vector should be less, that means this angle is 90 degree, means pi by 2. This is maximum current I naught. This is the phasor diagram. This is the EI versus omega t graph, and you know that XC is equals to 1 upon omega c. XC is equals to 1 upon XC is equals to 1 upon omega c. Okay, you can write here 1 upon 2 pi by t into c. Here you can write here this is 1 upon 2 pi fc. Frequency means xc is inversely proportional to frequency. If you draw here xc versus frequency axis, it is inversely proportional, that means the graph will be like that. Okay, because it is rectangular hyperbola. Okay, hope you are understanding, and thanks for watching.